Hi and welcome to MidwestSouthern.com. My name is Mandy Heron and today I wanted to switch things up a bit. Today I'm in the kitchen and I wanted to show you one of my favorite summer treats and it's definitely something that my family loves. It's not my original recipe. I have to give credit to the one and only Joanna Gaines and Magnolia Table. It is a lemon pie. And you guys, this is a perfect summer treat if you love lemons, if you just want something that's nice and cool, something that's not going to heat your house up too much. I highly recommend trying this recipe. So this is just how I'm interpreting everything and how I do things. So stay tuned and I'll show you what I do. Okay, so first things first, you're going to want to preheat your oven. I have mine preheating to 350, just like the instructions, and I'm making sure that I have everything that I need for my recipe. So you're going to need, obviously, lemons, graham crackers for the crust, butter that has been melted, sweet condensed milk, and sugar, and a few other basics. So let's get started. First, you're going to want a 9-inch pie plate. I have already greased this, as you can see, and next I will go on to my step of crushing up my graham crackers. And I like to use my food processor. This makes it really easy, and then you add your butter. And I've already done that. So I'm just kind of making it all incorporate together so it will stick to my pie plate, and then I'll put that in the oven to bake off for a little bit. So let's get started. Alright, so now that my pie crust is placed firmly into the pie plate, again, it's not perfect, it is rustic, and there's no cracks on the bottom for the filling to escape. I will put this into the preheated oven at 350 for 8 minutes. So we'll do that. Alright, now that that is heating up, we are on to our next step, and that is starting to make the filling for the pie. First, we're going to start with our sweet condensed milk. Use any brand that you prefer, and make sure it's measured out, obviously. This is about 2 cans of my preferred brand that I usually use. So just scrape any excess out. And that is set to go. Next, we have 3 egg yolks. So you'll want to separate your eggs. Simple trick that I use, I crack the egg and just ladle the whites into a cup, and then I'll use the shell to chuck in, that's the technical term, the yolk into the mixture. So continue ladling, just going back and forth, and I'll dump the yolk in. Alright, so my 3 egg yolks are incorporated into my sweet condensed milk. Next, I need lemon juice, but first, and this is my own little twist on the recipe, is I'm going to zest 2 very large lemons. I feel more, I am more of a person that loves a lot of lemon, and I just think that the zest really brightens up the flavor of the recipe. So it kind of adds a little color. as well to the mixture. So I'm just going to use my grater that I use for all kinds of zests. That's usually the only thing I use this for. So I'll just get to grating, and then we will juice. Little humor there. I recorded this entire video doing every step, but turns out, because I'm filming on my iPad, that happened to be loaded full of kids shows because we just got back from our Florida vacation. It didn't get everything. So, a little humor for you. Basically, I will just walk you through what I did. So we got the sweetened condensed milk, 3 egg yolks, a pinch of salt, 2/3 cup of lemon juice, and about a tablespoon of fresh lime zest, which I have extra for garnish. And we mixed that all together, made a great custard-like consistency, and poured that into our pie crust that I put in the oven at 350 for about 10 minutes. Now I'm just letting it cool, and I will pop it into the refrigerator for about an hour or more, because this is going to be our dessert tonight. And I whipped up some whipped cream topping to put with our pie. So I will use my lemon zest as a garnish, and maybe even some mint sprigs like Joanna suggests in her recipe. So I hope that all makes sense. Yeah, just a little bit of humor for you. I'll try to add some pictures and walk you through. So hashtag parenting, hashtag real life, and I hope you enjoyed what you did see of this recipe. Go to MidwestSouthern.com. I'll have actual printed out steps for you. Again, all the credit goes to Joanna Gaines and Magnolia for their awesome recipe. That can be found in Magnolia Table. So again, this is the lemon pie recipe from Magnolia Table. It's the first dessert in here, so, and it's our favorite. You guys, I hope you have a great day. Again, MidwestSouthern.com for those instructions. Keep tuning in for some interior design, some real life, and even a recipe or two. So I hope you guys have a great summer. Thanks for watching.